Hey guys, what's up? Keith Rainbow here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So we're going to do a review today on a company out of North Carolina. The gentleman's name is Mark Mitten. He and his wife own Patriot Jerky, patriotjerky.net. So Mark sent me some flavors here. He sent me 4 flavors. The Recruiter, which is a teriyaki, Recon, which is a medium heat, and he sent me a mild and a hot. So he's got 4 flavors of jerky. If you notice, I only showed you 3 bags because one didn't make it. Hey, come on, it's one of the benefits of reviewing the jerky, right? So listen, guys, I've known Mark for quite some time. He's actually celebrating his 1-year anniversary in making jerky and USDA approved. Today we're gonna review the Recruiter, the teriyaki jerky. Well, check his site out, patriotjerky.net, guys. He is a great guy. He and his wife work real hard making this jerky, and he is a true patriot. Okay, patriotjerky.net, friends. So let's get into it without further ado. I like his packaging. I like has a picture of the first words of the Constitution, "We the people," and the Second Amendment is printed on his bag, which is super cool because I am a big fan of being a patriot as well. Okay, guys, so let's get started. Let me rip this open. You see, it's got nice packaging here too. It's got the lot number and all that stuff on the bag, and the sell by date and the contact information, and all of his ingredients on there as well. Okay, guys, so let's check it out and get right into it. It's my favorite part. All right. So, nice smell to it, and nice just to the touch. It seems like a nice tender jerky. Very nice. I'm going to dump this out, guys. Let me put the camera down so you can see this. All right. There we go, my cameraman. All right, so it's nice, thick pieces of jerky here. It's about I think so. It probably starts about a 1/4 inch thick, and as you see, very, very little fat on this jerky. Very tender as well. Look how this tears apart here. Now, it smells delicious. See the little spider threads throughout here. So this is a nice tender jerky, guys. Not too salty. The first flavor I get is definitely it's a very light soy sauce, and I can taste just a light flavor of brown sugar. This jerky isn't really hard to chew. It's very tender. And a lot of people really try to achieve that tenderness inside jerky, which is something that people really like when they're looking to purchase their favorite jerky. And this has that. So, nice big pieces. See the nice threads inside here? When you rip that, that's how you know your jerky is done. But nice and tender. Look at that. Look at how that rips. This is definitely easy on the jaw. Nice packaging. You can actually see through the back of the package too. You can see the product, which is cool. But this is delicious, guys. Mark Mitten, patriotjerky.net, my friends. Check this out. Because teriyaki, you won't be disappointed. Look for my other videos for Patriot Jerky, guys, in our reviews. Thanks for watching.